Here I have BLACKBERRY KeyOne, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the list of all applications. Then let's go to the settings. Here you should find and pick display. And now go to wallpaper. Now it's time to select the source from which you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be live wallpapers, it can be one from your photos, or maybe one from BLACKBERRY wallpapers. So let me pick the third option. And now select the one that you like the most. So let me pick, for example, this one, and once you decide, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally, pick if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So in my case, it will be both, the third option. And as you can see, since now your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also your lock screen. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.